Remember we was in Connecticut and the guy was like road tie, and I'm like, Connecticut. Remember we went to the Walmart?
Oh, the Walmart?
Yeah.
But they beat us too. Right here.
And I'm like, how y'all Alabama fans in Connecticut?
Because people at Connecticut are what they call grifters. They join whatever team that's hot.
Breaking these niggas down like a hammer. You don't really know you are.
Got an attitude, what you better say, so I ain't mad at you. For sure. I'm a fuck Percocet, but on my baby popping that Adderall.
It's hot. Like I'm like sweating like crazy. So this is the full car. He's packing it up. We were able to get all of the beds and suitcases, but we're gonna see how we can fit all the animals now. So we were finally able to pack them all in. This is all the kiddos in here. And Nova. Sharon is down there. She's not crying yet, but she'll probably be crying soon. Harley's happy and ready to go. Oh, we're finally hitting the road.
Oh man.
What?
The day that I dropped was my headphone.
You dropped where?
That's in one of the damn bags.
6:41 now. We want to leave at 6 o'clock, but like I said, it's a lot to pack. All the kids are sweating because it's like so hot in this basement that we're in. But now we finally have them packed, ready to go. We have all our snacks here. Yes, I think this is about to be like almost an 8-hour drive, probably a little over 8 hours. Then we're going straight to the hotel room to like rest and freshen up, and then tomorrow that's gonna have to go too loud. And then tomorrow that's gonna have to go for the brunch for the scholarship that I got for the away rotation. So yeah, we're on our way. I'm actually like really tired. You gotta wake up at like 5:30 to leave or get everything ready. So I'm pretty tired. I'm happy about this pillow though. All the babies are asleep pretty much. So yeah, we are on the road. Probably stop soon and get some gas, but I'm so tired. I got some Chick-fil-A and it literally made me so tired. It's a cat with a leash on. What's the matter?
Harley, get in the grass.
What's the matter? You scared?
No. Come on.
We all made sure we don't got DVTs and walked around. He's so mean. Y'all, he always look like that.
No, looking at her, see if she's gonna come out.
We're in Ohio. And when we crossed over and had to pay, I don't know, the guy had a country accent. Do they have country accent in Ohio? I'm guessing we more on the east side of Ohio, maybe.
Mm-hmm. Then they got food in there. That's how I got gas station.
It says, please do not walk pets here. Use pet exercise area. And what we do, walk pets here.
It's right there in that little cage. Nova.
Where? Oh. Well, good thing y'all not pets. Y'all service animals. Are you tired yet? You've been driving this whole time.
No, I'm not tired.
That's a real man right there. That's a black king right there.
I smoke dope.
Harley finally calmed down. We made it, baby.
Hi.
I know you are. You did a good job.
champagne like it ain't nothing. Black card, party in the backyard. Shawty got the black bra.
No, but you was actually good this drive. I'm proud of you, baby girl. She didn't cry once. She didn't act crazy. I'm proud of you. Girl, you did me wrong. You know you won't. I love you, you got me twisted over you. I got what you need. So my husband hates me so much that he had me come in a damn Walmart by myself to find like cat litter and stuff. And I don't remember the last time I've been in a Walmart because I don't go grocery shopping. I typically just have my stuff delivered. So I'm trying to find everything right now.
I need you to get the fuck on my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy spin like a great escape. I need a new trick, gold eyes on chains. I'm fucking, I am making love.
So we finally made it to the damn hotel room after a million stops that we had to make. I wanted to see the area that I'm supposed to go to for brunch tomorrow to get the scholarship that I'm supposed to get. Then we had to go to Walmart because Miss Sharon, the cat, doesn't have any litter. So I grabbed that, which that was a whole hassle. And now we are walking into the hotel. He has the dogs with him. I have Miss Sharon right here. She's crying. And hopefully we don't have to do anything else crazy today. Just kind of chill. He wants to watch his game at 6:30, which we made it just in time for him to do so. 7:30. And we made it just in time. So yeah. Let's see how this night goes because we only have a one bedroom with all these animals right now. So that's going to be a lot. Good thing that the hallway that we in is not too packed because Harley usually gets a lot of attention. So we didn't have to deal with that right now. We just could come in. The hardest part is really having all these animals.
It's here, okay.
So we came here to the bar area downstairs just to have like a quick drink. And so he could watch his damn game that he rushed me for even though he had the wrong time. But the food here is really, really good. We at the Sheraton near the Detroit airport. So I guess we kind of got to see Detroit for a little bit or close to. Yeah, we haven't really seen it, I guess, but I could say I did. And
Probably
then,
one of your free days.
yeah, I mean, I have nothing but free weekends, so which is good. We get to see Ann Arbor more. We get to, you know, see some areas of Michigan since I'm off on the weekends, which I'm excited about. And hopefully we can go out to eat for my birthday. And we go out to eat for his birthday.
But your birthday's on the weekend?
My birthday is not on the weekend. It's on a Friday though, I believe. I don't know. But we'll see. Let me see what's around the Ann Arbor area that we can eat at. I really don't know what they're known for, but I could ask my homegirl if they have any like good restaurants.
My birthday's on a Friday. Yours on a Thursday.
Oh, mine's on a Thursday. The great thing is that on my birthday they have me on outpatient. Yes, thank you.
Are you ready?
Do you need another one?
Oh, talk about
Another drink, babe. I
Um,
was saying that I'm on outpatient the 2 days, like on my birthday, which is good because like outpatient is more chill, which I'm happy about. At least I get to have like a chill birthday.
yeah. I know. I'm not sure what it was on.
Like the soup,
Yeah.
V8,
Huh?
a V8.
I never had one.
It's just like very tomatoey.
Do they even make those cereals anymore?
I'm pretty sure. Now they make it with like fruit inside too, so it's not like so much. It tastes like tomato. They're disgusting. You could literally get your vegetable and take other ways than that.
Yeah, I probably got extra sugar in it anyway.
Remember we was in Connecticut and the guy was like, roll tide. I'm like, we in freaking Connecticut. Remember we went to the Walmart?
Oh, the Walmart?
Yeah.
But they beat us too. Right here.
And I'm like, how y'all Alabama fans in Connecticut?
Because people at Connecticut are what they call grifters.
That mean?
They join whatever team that's hot.
Mm.
Because there's no way that somebody from Alabama, from Connecticut, is the Alabama fan.
But we have a lot of Cowboy fans too. And they're not hot.
Yeah.
They've been hot for years.
They just like losing.
They're very aggressive too. I don't like their fans.
Oh yeah, if you're in Connecticut and your team is a Cowboy, that means, and you're old, that means they used with them when it was hot.
You're
in the
old and
90s.
bald too. Most of them be bald.
Yeah, they would say fan when they was winning, because New England was not winning in the 90s.
Yeah, I feel like when you're in Connecticut, unless you're just baseball too, but we have to pick and choose. But we don't have a team, so we have to either you like somebody really up north or you like somebody somewhere else. Like we even got a lot of Eagle fans. I'm like, how?
I can see Eagles. Pennsylvania, it's not that far.
Yeah, but we're closer to New York. Be a Giants fan. You can freaking be a Patriots fan or something.
Because you guys are New England, so that's what. But the thing is, like,
But Philadelphia is not part of New England.
it's not. But thank you.
Thank you.
Well,
Are you all set here?
I am finished.
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's good. I just sit
I
alone.
just wanted to make sure.
Thank you.
What you say?
For Philadelphia,
Mhm.
you guys are not that far from Philadelphia. I can see you guys.
Yeah, but it's not New England.
That's true. Ew, man. That's true. It's not New England, but it's closer than the Cowboys.
Yeah, it is.
And probably the people who became
Some people be Eagles fans and never even probably went to Philly.
people who probably became Eagles fan was because they didn't like New York, or they didn't like the Cowboys, or they didn't like the Redskins. Because those four always play each other. So you became an Eagle fan because you dislike the Giants.
What the fuck you crying for? I'm moving service, calling on my favorite.
All right, so after this long day, I didn't even let you guys know what happened. But we are finally in a hotel again. But this one is closer to the Ann Arbor area. And like we have enough, closet space. This is the bed, TV, a little living area that Harley could sleep there. Nova has her little bed and Sharon kind of sleeps with us. There's also a working station that, he can work at throughout the day if he needs to. We have a kitchen area, which is good, so we don't have to keep buying food every single day. So we had a horrible situation that happened with the Airbnb that we were supposed to get. The place that we booked just did not look like how they described it. It was like in an area that we did not feel safe in, and the house was like kind of janky, and it was just horrible. So we ended up getting a refund after talking to Airbnb for so long because he claimed it was non-refundable. But we're like, hey, this place does not look like what he described. It wasn't even in the area that he said it was supposed to be in. So that was number one. It was just so many things that just felt like it was kind of a scam situation. So we ended up getting our money back. We ended up finding this hotel that was pretty close to the hospital. It's like 10 minutes out, in a place that we felt a lot more safer. And of course, it's not like dirty like the Airbnb that we seen. So we feel a lot better here. It's just like now we don't have like separate rooms. We have like the dogs and a cat kind of with us, all in one area. So we're just kind of like trying to navigate that and get through that. But the plus side is that this hotel has like a gym. So, we could go to the gym in the morning. It also has a swimming pool and a hot tub, all indoor. The hot tub and the pool is indoor. They also have like this cute little like what is it called? Like the fire thing, like the fire pit that, on the weekends if we're gonna drink some wine and kind of like just order some food or make some food, we could go downstairs and be in front of the fire pit. So then they have free breakfast that's like included. So every morning we can have food in the morning. I'm pretty sure they'll have like waffles for him because that's typical of places like this. They have like the waffle maker, and things like that. So all those are pluses. So we'll save money on eating in the morning time and things like that. We just have to go grocery shopping. And another plus is that, like I said, it's very close to the hospital. So I don't have to wake up even extra earlier to get to the hospital. It's kind of there. And Harley is in my face because I'm on her bed. But, yes, so we made it. It's been a very stressful day. We've been through a lot today.
But I'm very proud of how we kind of communicated a lot throughout the situation. And we kind of got through it together, and we finally felt a bit calmer now and can relax for the rest of the night. And that's what we're gonna do. So tomorrow starts the rotation, and I'm gonna bring you guys along on the whole rotation throughout the month. All right, good night.